Hi, I'm Daniel Rodriguez from Acura, here to explain how to operate the headlight control on the ZDX. The ZDX features automatic headlights, which will turn the exterior lamps on and off automatically, depending on outside lighting. To change this setting, or to turn on lights manually, locate the exterior lamp control icon on the top left of the color touchscreen. Note that this control remains available no matter what screen is in operation. Press the lamp icon and a menu will indicate 4 lighting options. The default position is auto. Headlights can be turned off or on manually, or the parking lights can be selected. This one turns on the parking lamps, including all lamps except the headlamps. The headlamp button turns on the headlamps together with the parking lamps and the instrument panel lights. Press the auto button to reactivate the auto mode. The 2024 ZDX also has IntelliBeam, which automatically activates the high beams. To operate the IntelliBeam system, press the controls icon on the upper left of the colored touchscreen. Locate the auto high beams icon to toggle off or on. An indicator appears on the instrument cluster. When the feature is turned on, the IntelliBeam system will be available when driving over 25 miles per hour. The high beams will stay on until the system detects another vehicle's headlamps or a preceding vehicle's taillights. To operate the high beams manually, push the signal turn lever away from you and release. To release the high beams, push the lever again or pull it towards you to release. The indicator appears on the instrument cluster when the high beams are on. For more information, please see your owner's manual.